A Milestone technician is drug tested, background checked,
shows up on time,
looks polished and professional.
At the end of the day, who we are is why we do what we do.
You guys get the same address?
Dispatch triple booked?
Looks like it.
This town ain't big enough for the three of us.
Hey, we service the whole Metroplex over here. We service Rockwall, we service all the way to Fort Worth, we service...
It's not what he meant.
Best trade gets the job.
Water damage moves the fastest. 10 minutes and the cabinets are toast. I stop the flood, protect the home.
Safety beats everything. Fire and shock don't wait. I find the hazards first and then I'll keep them safe.
Comfort keeps the family calm. If they can't breathe or sleep, nothing else matters. I make it livable now.
Why don't you call your Papa Chip and he'll figure it out?
He ain't the boss of me.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! We just sold another one!
I'm bringing sexy back. The other boys don't know how to.
Hey, Chip. Yeah, we're still here. We're trying to decide who's the best trade. All right, we'll see you there. He says we can just settle up at the family meeting.
Well, that settles it. See you at high noon.
Actually, it's at 7.
That ain't what he meant. Let's get going.